this video, we're going to walk through how to display different designs for a single form. Please note, for demonstration purposes, I will be using a form and designs that have already been created. One quick thing I want to call out before we get too far into this is that you are actually able to utilize different fields and different designs as long as you include all of the required fields in your different designs. Optional fields can be used or left out at your discretion. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and navigate from the main dashboard to the Forms Management section of this CRA instance. Simply click the keypad icon to reveal the other options available and select Indition Forms. Once you land on the Forms dashboard, you can either hover over to the right side navigation and select Forms and Forms Management, or you can simply click this shortcut link on the dashboard to manage forms. As you can see from this grid, we have 5 forms set up already, and each one has multiple designs, which is designated in this column here, labeled Designs. For this example, I will show a sample Contact Us form. This is a very basic form that includes name, email, and phone number. If you had just created this form and didn't have any designs created yet, you would want to next navigate to the Advanced Designer tab up at the top of the screen. As mentioned, in this case, I'm using an example that already has designs created. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can use these different designs on different pages throughout your site or sites. Again, if you don't have any designs created yet, and that is your next step, you'll want to navigate to the blue Create Design button. Just to give you an idea and show you a few different examples, I'm going to open a few of these designs so you can see the differences. So as you can see, we've got a few different layouts that could be suitable for different areas throughout a site, depending on the other content that's present on the page. Again, these are just very simple sample designs. Ha! Say that 3 times fast. Your designs can have a multitude of different layouts and colors, etc. Now the next thing you're going to want to do, assuming you are ready to go ahead and use these different form designs across your site, is go back to the main Manage Forms grid. From there, navigate to the far right column of the grid, click the 3 dots icon, and then select Form Links and Embed Codes. Once you click on that, a modal will come up that gives you a list of all your different designs with 2 options as to how to utilize them. You can use the page URL in the middle column to simply link users to the page the form is hosted on. Or, for a more seamless user experience, you can click the Get Embed code and use the iframe code that is provided to embed the form directly into the page of your website that you wish. So that's it. You've just had a quick walkthrough of how a single form can use different designs and how you can use those different designs across your website. Thanks again for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you found the video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when a new video drops. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.